Lesson 6-3, Converting Rates and Measurements. So we are going to use dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is a process of including units of measurements as factors when you compute an answer. So we use dimensional analysis to convert units and numbers. So let's look at this example. It says convert 760 miles per hour to miles per minute. So to do this, you need to convert miles per hour to miles per minute. So you need to choose a conversion factor that converts this. So let's just write out the miles over the hour, because that's what we have right now, miles per hour. So we know that we're trying to get it to miles. We're trying to get miles per minute. Well, we have to do a little bit of converting in there. And so miles per hour. And then you know that you can go from hours to minutes. So we have hours to minutes. And these cancel out. So the hours cancel out, leaving you the miles and the minutes. So that means that you have 1 hour in 60 minutes. So you use that as your conversion factor to figure out how many miles are traveled per minute. So now you take your 760 miles per hour, per 1 hour, and you're going to multiply that by your 1 hour in 60 minutes. Just like before, the hours cancel out, leaving you with 760 miles over 60 minutes. So if you divide 760 by 60, you get approximately 12.7 miles per minute. Pause the video to try this example on your own. The average teenager spends $1,742 per year on fashion-related items. How much is this per week? Make sure you choose your conversion factor before you begin solving this. Okay, so the conversion factor here should be, you need to determine, they're telling you that it's $1,742 for 1 year, but they want to know weeks. So you need to figure out how many weeks are in 1 year. So we know that 1 year equals 52 weeks. So our years cancel out, leaving us $1,742 in 52 weeks. So if you divide 1,742 divided by 52, you will get approximately $33.50 per week is what your average teenager spends on fashion. Logan and 3 friends attend skydiving class before their first jump. The instructor tells them they will travel at about 176 feet per second. How many miles per hour is this? So, you need to convert the feet per second to miles per hour. Well, we need to know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet, and that 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So you first want to set it up. They've given you that it's 176 feet for 1 second. So we bring that over and we carry that the same, but now we just include our converters. So we multiply that by the first converter, which is 1 mile over 5,280 feet, times the second converter, which is 3,600 seconds over 1 hour. Now, to determine what goes in the numerator and the denominator, you want to look at your original units. So I put feet in the denominator right here because feet is in the numerator on the other side. So you want those to cancel out. So then I put seconds in the numerator on the second converter because seconds is in the denominator. So once this all cancels out, I will be left with just miles per hour. So this is what our entire equation looks like with the converters in. We cancel out our units, and so we are left with 176, 1 mile, 3,600, and then on the bottom is 5,280, and 1 hour. So now we can go through and we can start to multiply and divide. So I first want to multiply straight across. So I have 176 times 3,600, and I get 633,600, and I divide that by 5,280. So I will get 120, and then I use both of my units, miles per hour. There are two systems of measurement that are commonly used. They are the customary and the metric system. If you refer to page 276 of your textbook, this will give you a measurement conversion chart. You don't have to write this down, but I would just kind of remember this page in the back of your head so that you can easily do some of these conversions. So let's look at an example of 12 centimeters to inches. So this wants me to turn 12 centimeters into inches. Well, without having that page 276, I'm not sure how many centimeters are in 1 inch. So if you refer to the page, you see there that it says 1 inch equals approximately 2.54 centimeters. So that means that we have 12 centimeters, and we multiply it by the 1 inch over the 2.54 centimeters. Our centimeters cancel out, leaving us with an answer of approximately 4.72 inches. Pause the video to try the example below. Please refer to page 276 for the conversion. This says 4 quarts to liters. Well, when we refer to the chart, we see that 1 quart is equal to 0.946 liters. So we set up our kind of rate or proportion, and we say 4 quarts is here. We multiply it. Remember, you want to put the quarts on the bottom so that the units cancel out. So if we multiply both of these, 4 times 0.946 is approximately 3.784 liters. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.